Today I'm going into town with my coworker Kari. She trained me here at Crane Hot Springs, and I really like her. She's a really good person, so this will be a fun day. Laundry done. Got back from my day in Burns, Oregon with Kari, doing some errands. Sorry for this weird lighting. And I'm gonna do a grocery haul. Some bread. This was the only bread that wasn't $6 a loaf. They had a deal on peppers. It was like 4 for $5. So I got 4 peppers. And this is our favorite ice cream. We're planning to go to the Tillamook factory in Oregon when we leave here. We love this ice cream more than anything. And all of these are from the grocery outlet. The last ones were from Safeway. Can't really get everything at the grocery outlet. So I got some pretzels, some chicken. I got this literally because the price is $11.11. Sorry, I'm a basic bitch. I really liked this bacon last time we got it, and it's really good. This is like real bacon. It's like naturally smoked. It's not like the smoked where they like inject it with gross whatever fake smoke flavor. Got some milk, cucumber, some makeup wipes, and then this is why I love Grocery Outlet. They always have these like interesting drinks. So these were 2 for $1, and they're like a natural caffeine energy drink, raspberry lemonade. I'm excited to try these. And that's it. And I did laundry, which is why these jeans are hanging, because they weren't quite dry yet.
2 days later.
We're packing up the bus and we're getting ready to go into town. We're gonna buy some hardware, maybe stop at the grocery store. I did go into town 2 days ago, but I didn't have Ian with me, and we've got some projects that we want to do, so he kind of needs to pick out like the screws and stuff that we need to do those. It's kind of a whole process to go into town. Ian's just checking the fluids right now because we really only go into town like every 2 weeks. So like I put my plants over there, and like we have to take Starlink down, and just it's kind of a lot of work. Here, you want to bring those pieces in with you?
bombastic side eye.
Alright, we got what we need. Fun stuff. We debated buying a generator. Didn't pull the trigger today. When you go to the store for olive oil and you come out with a whole cart. We just got back to the hot springs for the night. This was a really weird vlog, so thank you for watching, and thank you to our patrons, Kate, Lori, Kevin, and Jill. We love you guys. If you want exclusive content, check out the link in the description below. So until next time,